Hello amigas, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Jasenia, and in today's occasion I'll be showing you how to make Philly cheesesteaks my way. It's quite easy to make actually. These are all of the ingredients that you're going to need as pictured here. Of course, I buy my beef already shaved from Fry's, and it's a 14-ounce package. In addition to this, you're going to need provolone, and your whole wheat buns or white rolls is fine. This is what I'll be using. And I'm going to be using half a teaspoon of each spice here. So I have half a teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and half a teaspoon of salt. Salt is to your liking. In addition to that, I'll be using 1 bell pepper and 1 onion. You can also mix it up by adding in the yellow and the red pepper as well. To be honest, I usually get the frozen mixed fajita in the frozen section, but I could not get my hands on one today, so I am going to be using these as substitutes. So to begin, what I'm going to do is going ahead and season my beef with my spices. I'm just going to mix it up and then go ahead and set to cook. It's a very fast meal to make. The next step is I'm just going to take my spices, give it a good mix to get that all incorporated, and then just spread it all over my beef. Of course, you want to go ahead and combine that. Of course, this will give you the perfect flavor when combining all of your spices just like this. The next part is cutting up the onion and the bell pepper. Let's go ahead and do that next. Go ahead and cut up your onion. I'm just going to be using half of the onion. Okay, amigas, so I went ahead and cut up my onion, and it's completely optional to add in mushrooms to this. Next step is going ahead and setting this to cook on my pan. The next step is to set your pan to medium-high heat. Add a little bit of oil to that, and go ahead and cook your meat thoroughly. Next, you want to go ahead and add in the bell peppers and the onions. I definitely also want to be adding half a teaspoon of paprika. Okay. And continue to stir everything together just like this until the onions caramelize. Alrighty, ladies, so The steak is fully cooked and the onions have caramelized, so I'm going to go ahead and set this aside to go ahead and toast our bun. For the next step, you're going to grab your white roll and what I like to do is layer the mayo on each side. Just like this. Right, on each side evenly, just like this, and then place it face down and repeat the process. You are going to allow these to set until golden brown. The next step is just going to go ahead and flip it over. Be careful. And I'm going to go ahead and lay 2 provolone cheeses right on top like that. As much as meat as you want right over it, just like this. And there you have it, guys. Quick and easy Philly cheesesteaks to make right at home. It's perfect for a weekday dinner or weekend or any get together as well. So thank you so much for having been here today. If you haven't already, feel free to subscribe to this growing YouTube family. Turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.